Hi, welcome to another NX10 video tutorial. I will redo another old one, a classic one. It's an exercise for datums, reference elements, wireframe geometry and driving geometry. So let's start with some planes. I need one with a distance from this one, which should be 85, yes, apply. Another one with a distance from this one. This should be 60, and another one again 60. Then I need a sketch which should be on this plane. Confirm, draw a rectangle, and now I want to use these planes to control this rectangle, so I will make a constraint collinear and another one right here collinear as well. Finish the sketch and now make an extrude, and this extrude should go up to this plane. So change the end from value to until selected and choose that plane and confirm. So now I got this solid. Let's hide this sketch and make this solid a little bit transparent. So let's go to View, Edit Object Display, select the solid, confirm, and there's a slider. Let's move this to, let's say, 50% transparency. Okay. Next I need some reference points, so let's go for point. Cursor location is just right here, and I want a reference point here, over here, and over there. So let's check the coordinates. This should be y 60. Apply. And the next one should be set 85, apply, and then another one 0, but the x coordinate should be 60, and okay, now I got 3 reference points as well. Then I need to make some holes, therefore I need some more points. So let's go to point, use a reference point, choose an existing point like this, and make an offset, rectangular, and the x direction should be 45, and the y direction should be minus 45.5, and apply. Choose another existing point, maybe the same, this one again, and make another offset. This one should be 15, and that one should be minus 24.5, and okay, now I got these 2 points, my reference points, and then want to make a hole. So I go to hole. This should be a general hole. The point should be this one. Normal to face, that's okay. And that's okay, but I need a counter board. It should be 25 in diameter. The C-board depth should be 0.5. Depth should be 15.5, and the tip angle should be 118 degrees. That's okay with me, so I can confirm this, and okay. I need the same hole over here, so I will copy this one counterpart hole and copy it and paste it. Go to menu, edit, paste. I need new references. First one should be the new point, and second, the target body should be this one. And okay, so I got the same hole over here. So now I will create a line, a wireframe line with an angle. So let's go for, let's go for insert curve line. It starts with this point, okay, and the end option should be an angle, so I go for at angle, and I need to select the object for the angle, so I will go for the set axis. Okay, now I got a support plane which is the wrong plane, so I will have to make a new plane. Select plane, go for the plane constructor and choose point and direction. That's okay. The point would be this one and the direction would be this direction. So let's go for, I could make imply and go to this one, confirm. Now I got a plane. That's okay. And I need a length which should be 63 and an angle which should be 15 or maybe minus 15. Let's check it. No, that's wrong, so this might be 15 and 118, 205 to 1205. Yeah, that's more like it. And take a look, this line is now in that plane. Okay. Nice. And I will do the second one with the hole itself without a line. So let's go for hole with the starting with this point, and it's along a vector, and the vector would be this one, and it's a general hole. It's simple, 6 diameter, depth should be 63. Okay, and confirm. That's more like it. Then I need another point because it has a distance to this one, so go for point, make it existing point, and there should be an offset rectangular in the x direction, which should be minus 2.7, 2.7. And okay, now I want to have a hole with an angle, and I will do it in a different way. First I will change my working coordinate system. So let's go to Tools and Orient working coordinate system. Okay, I would choose x-axis, y-axis, origin, or okay, yeah, the x-axis should be in a different direction. First I need the origin point. Origin point should be this one, and the y-axis should be this one, and the x-axis should be this one. So that's the x-axis and that's the y-axis. And confirm. So now my working coordinate system has a different position and orientation than this one. And then I can use a different command. So go for general hole, that's okay. The point is this one. It's not normal to face, it's along a vector. And again, I need a reference. In this case, it's because it's my working coordinate system, the x-axis. Change the direction, and then I want to have an angle to the xc axis. And this should be, let's check it out, it's maybe 24 or minus. I will just use right now 24 and take a look. So that's the wrong direction. So I will change this one to minus 24. Okay, and now change direction, and the depth should be 44 and confirm. So I didn't need a plane. By repositioning my working coordinate system, I could use the different command in the constructor. By taking a closer look at my model, I just noticed I made maybe some small mistakes. This angle is not quite right. It should be 195, not 205. Okay. And maybe the length of this one is also not quite right. That's this simple hole. And it should be 47. And okay. Yeah, that's more like it. Then I need a datum plane with distance from this one. Distance should be 30 and confirm. And I need some intersection points. And I need a line here because I cannot make an intersection point. So let's create a line, insert curve line, make it from one point to another point, maybe the center point of this arc. Yes, arc center, and okay. And now I can create my intersection points. Go to point. You can select intersection point, but you don't need it. So first you have to select the plane and then the line. That's this line. Apply, and I need another one. Again this plane, but now this line. Okay. Then I need those 2 points projected to that plane. Go to menu, insert derived curve, project this point to that plane, apply, and again this point to this plane. It's a normal projection along face normal, and confirm. Now I got these 2 lines. Now I can make my holes. General hole. First I make this one, not this one, this one, that's the point. Deselect this one, and simple 6, yeah, but until selected. Select this face, this warning, just ignore it, make apply, and you got the hole. And again, select this point until selected, choose this face and confirm. 2 more holes. Okay, I need 2 more points. On this side, at least 2 more points. Go for existing one, take this one, and you got an offset rectangular, which should be 40.5 in this direction, 40.5, and 37 in Z direction. Apply, and I need another one, just use this as reference again. Rectangular offset, 37 should be okay, and the second value should be 19.5. And okay. Again, 2 holes. This again with sort of angle, therefore I will change my working coordinate system. Go to Tools, More, Orient working coordinate system. The point should be this one. Okay. The x-axis should be, in this case, that one, and this should be the y-axis. And okay. Now I can go for a hole, take this point. It's a simple one, I think, and the diameter should be 6. The length should be, a value should be 44, 180 degrees, yes, and along a vector, and that vector should be at an angle to XC, and this might be 30 or minus 30, let's check it. 30 and okay. It's almost the right direction, so just turn it the other way around. Yes, that looks good, and okay. And I need another one, hole right here, right now normal to face, and the length should be 37. And okay. Nice. Okay, another point. Use this as reference, and the distance should be, in this case, 14.5, and the set, oh sorry, I want to use an offset. Use this existing point and go to rectangular offset, and this should be 14.5, and set should be 15.5. Okay, then I need a hole right there, not a channel one with a thread. That's okay. That's okay. Thread depth should be, let's check it as 9, depth should be 11. That's okay, everything, and so I can confirm. And then I want to make a pattern feature. I want to pattern this one. That direction, first direction is okay. Count should be 2. It should be count and pitch, and the pitch distance should be, let's check it, 45.5 minus 14.5. 45.5 minus 14.5. That's okay. The second direction should be the other way around. Take a look, it's minus YC, and that's CZ. Or maybe the direction is that's okay. That's this direction, and the other direction should be the other way around. Yes, it's 2, and the distance is 56 minus 15.5. Looks good. Confirm. And these two should be moved a little bit to the left and to the right. So let's activate it again. Go to this one, right mouse click, clock, and the distance should be in direction 2. Difference is, let's take a look, 0.75. Okay, and here as well, clock, but minus 0.75. Confirm. Confirm. So this side is done. Let's go for this side. 2 more points, or 1 point, and you could pattern it. This time I will make holes with 2 points. So let's go for point. Use this as reference. Make an offset rectangular. And check. In this case it should be in that direction, 35, and in Z direction it should be 17.5, and this of course should be minus 35. Yep. Okay. And another one. You could choose this one, or just again this one. Make another rectangular. Again it's minus 35, and Z should be 42.5. Okay. Let's make a hole. You can choose point, 2 points altogether. Go to general hole, make it a counterboard one, and let's take a look. That's 16, and that's 1.2. Diameter should be 10, and it should go through the whole body. Like this. Yep. And confirm. Then are only 4 holes missing, and then I could pattern this missing ones. Yes. Another point. Use this as reference as before, and make it with an offset rectangular, and that's 16 minus 16, and set should be 14. Okay, let's make a hole. So I missed the point, and he wants to make a sketch. I just undo the last action. Okay, and I want to use this point. Now I got it. So it's slightly different. This should be 6.4. Diameter should be 16. No, not 16, but 11. And the seaboard depth should be 8 on this side. Should go through the body. Okay, and I need another hole from the other side. Let's go for hole, and I want to use this center point right here. Yes, like this. Normal to face. It's not counterport, it's a simple one, and the diameter should be 11, not through the body but with a value, and this should be 0, and the depth should be 6.8. So he cannot reference the face. Let's make a direction, and it's already the correct direction, but you can choose it right here. And okay, now I will make a pattern feature, and I want to pattern this one and that one. Pattern feature. Let's check the direction. YC minus, that's okay. No, that's not okay. Okay, so let's change the direction. That's, I'll just select it. Go to invert vector, select this one, like this. Okay, and there you could do it the same way, like this. 2, the distance should be in the first direction, 38 minus 16, 22. I think that's not right, it's not 22, so it's 16, 32. 32. And in the other direction it's 45 minus 14, which is 31. No, not quite. 45 minus 14 is 31. Yes, it's 31. And okay. And again, it seems I made a small mistake. Yes, the distance is not 45 minus, but it's just 45. And okay. And I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this new version of this exercise, now in HD with audio commentary. See you to the next video. Bye bye.